Kuwato. Filipina dreamer, what are your dreams? Sana all. Filipina dreamer diri. Host, bukas na kayo ni kumari mo mag-organize. Bukas na doon kayong lahat. Sige po sa stories. Noted po. We just need Sylvia with the body. There to dance to your beautiful song, Marilyn. Yeah, Pho is like a Vietnamese soup. Oh, there's no Vietnamese soup here, oi. Because we don't have restaurant here in our side. It's only small restaurant. From New Zealand here, how are you? Hi, from New Zealand, Mark. I'm good, Mark. Welcome to my life. Have you seen a doctor for your cough, Sylvia? Dirtman is very for you, Sylvia. Very caring. Mas ko pa. This Navidad. Sa mga gitarahan eh. Abi sa atong tarahan.
Ikaw kanta ko pag guitar.
You might need to go Vietnam for a day just to try it then. Oh, it's very, what do you call this one? Very fun. Very magastos. We need money, it's very fun. Uy, ito kayo ko ato bakit ang diputos. Dali ba? Isa. Uy, di kita pahampakon kaya hindi ka kadungog. Ito ba? Ako itong diputos. Hindi nakakadungog. What happens to yourself? Feliz na Davidadi. Oh, here in the Philippines, our snack is just like this, and it's only 5 pesos. Yeah, very cheap, very expensive the ice. You don't like Vietnamese? I like Vietnamese. You know what?